the human body. All about bones quiz. What do you know about bones? Answer the following quiz questions about the bones in the human body. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Patella. B. Stapes. C. Thigh. D. Metatarsal. Bones meet at A. Joints. B. Ligaments. C. The rib cage. D. The local shock. How many bones does an adult human have? A. 500. B. 110. C. 206. D. 789. The bones in your spine are called A. Cartilage. B. Ribs. C. Metacarpals. D. Vertebrae. The patella is located in the A. Knee. B. Foot. C. Ear. D. Elbow. What is inside a bone? A. Cream filling. B. Compact bone. C. Muscle. D. Bone marrow. Your bones will stop growing by the time you are A. 90. B. 25. C. 40. D. 13. The ribcage protects your A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Lungs. D. All of the above. Answers. Question 1b. Stapes. Question 2a. Joints. Question 3c. 206. Question 4d. Vertebrae. Question 5a. Knee. Question 6d. Bone marrow. Question 7b. 25. Question 8d. All of the above. Well done. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative content.